Hello guys, making an unboxing video of Kennedy Violin's Antonio Giuliani um, violin that I recently bought for my fiance. Um, so she already opened this one, so I'm kind of making a video for people who like to see what's in here. The first of all, it comes in this big white box. And one thing which I really like is they also have a tamper proof seal over here and says if that seal is missing, call that number. So that way, nobody does anything during the shipment process. So that's the big case it comes in, and it's very nicely padded. And also, this will be on the side, and this is the case that you will see in here. So I took it out so that I don't have to do everything with one hand. So now this case is pretty good. I really like it. This one has the zipper. There are two zippers here, so if one breaks, uh, you know the other one is still good. There's plenty of space here, so as you can see, you can put a lot of things in there. And now there is some magnet attachable things here, and also there is a key on this one here, as you can see right here. So there's a key also if you want to lock it. Now when you open it like this, that's your first glimpse of inside the box. And now I'm going to show you the Antonio Giuliani model violin. So there's this cover here which I'm going to take out, and this case is Portland blue, I think, navy blue, I think that's what they call it. So here you go guys, this is the violin. So you can, it's kind of tied up over here, and that's the violin. That's the Antonio Giuliani model violin. It's very good. I really like the um, the honey color and the tiger stripes, I would say. This is the one without any imperfections, so this is perfect. So that's the violin. And luckily, when I with this violin, I got this professional bow. Now this is Antonio Giuliani professional bow. So I'll show you real quick. So that's the professional bow. It says somewhere, I think, Antonio Giuliani professional. So again, this is for my fiance. I have never played violin, so I don't know a whole lot about violins. So, but I did a research, and this is a very good violin. So there is a meter that checks the humidity inside the box. There is a space in here. It's pretty good. And there's also another space to keep your stuff in here. There's the belt for this bag, so you can actually carry this bag in your back. And looks like this is a big so you can put the violin in here. I don't know when you can use this, but there's the violin cover. In addition, you will also get the second box, and let's see what's inside this box. So there is the rosin. It's inside here. There is a microfiber cloth, I think, to wipe out the violin. Introduction to violin booklet, and some more goodies in here. Let's see what's in here. There's a receipt. There is a violin strings, a mini violin keychain, like it. Another keychain, looks like another keychain with a nail cutter on it. and some. Here you go. Um, One thing when I got this violin, and when you buy the violin, make sure your tailpiece is what you want. This one actually, I originally ordered the built-in one. Accidentally, they shipped this one out, where you actually put in the the fine tuners. But after talking with my fiance, what she really likes, like she's used to having 4 fine tuners on here. So I asked Kennedy Violin folks, and they were very nice to send me this 3 additional fine tuners. So I'm just gonna have to, I'm just gonna have to install this for my fiance. I guess he can do that too, but so find out what kind of tailpiece you want for your violin. I think the most popular one is the built-in one. It's a little different one, so you can do a YouTube search on different violin tailpieces. But as you can see, it's a very nice violin. I really like it. So I would like to hear it from my fiance playing this. It's a very nice violin, very beautifully crafted. So just wanted to make an unboxing video. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'm not paid by Kennedy Violin to do this, but I just want, because this is something that I was really trying to figure out what's inside the box before I bought this, and I'm sure other people who are looking into this violin have the same questions. So I really like my girlfriend to play this and see how she likes it. I mean, most times they say, it's better to play the violin, but there were a lot of good reviews for this violin, so I just went ahead and bought it. So hopefully and that time it also came with the professional bow. So hopefully my fiance would love this thing. Actually, she's looking forward to play this. So that's it. Have fun, guys. Thank you.